I am a little bowman. I like eat children's. They are cute and delicious. I eat 3 of them a day. I have no stomach, no lungs, no heart, but I have many bones. I can change my head all the time. I cannot kick football because my feet cannot move. Oh, I should go to the health now. Bye bye.